Welcome back, fellow space enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the mysterious and awe-inspiring world of black holes. Prepare to have your minds blown as we explore these captivating cosmic entities. I'm your host, the Space Lady, and in this video, we'll unravel the secrets of black holes in less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. What is a black hole? To understand black holes, we must first grasp the concept of gravity. Gravity is a force that attracts objects toward one another. When a massive star collapses under its own gravity after running out of fuel, a black hole is born. These gravitational powerhouses have such immense mass and density that nothing, not even light, can escape their gravitational pull. That's why they're called black holes. Anatomy of a black hole. Black holes have 3 main components: the event horizon, the singularity, and the accretion disk. The event horizon is the point of no return, where the gravitational pull is so strong that once you cross it, escape is impossible. The singularity lies at the center of a black hole, a place of infinite density and gravity, where the laws of physics as we know them break down. Surrounding the singularity, we have the accretion disk, composed of gas, dust, and other cosmic materials swirling around the black hole. Stellar and supermassive black holes. Black holes come in different sizes. Stellar black holes form when massive stars, typically several times the mass of our Sun, collapse. They are relatively small, with masses ranging from a few times that of the Sun to about 20 times its mass. On the other end of the scale, we have supermassive black holes, millions or even billions of times more massive than our Sun. Scientists believe these colossal black holes reside at the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Mind-boggling phenomena. Black holes exhibit mind-boggling phenomena that stretch the limits of our understanding. One fascinating concept is time dilation, where time runs slower near a black hole due to the intense gravitational field. Another intriguing phenomenon is spaghettification. As an object gets closer to a black hole, the tidal forces can stretch it into a long, thin shape resembling spaghetti. Imagine that. Black holes and the universe. Black holes play a crucial role in shaping the universe. They act as cosmic vacuum cleaners, gobbling up surrounding matter. The material consumed by black holes forms an accretion disk, which releases an enormous amount of energy in the form of intense radiation and powerful jets. These jets can span thousands of light years and significantly impact galaxy formation and evolution. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of black holes in less than 5 minutes. From their formation to mind-bending phenomena and their impact on the cosmos, black holes continue to fascinate scientists and stargazers alike. If you're hungry for more cosmic adventures, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for future space explorations. Until then, keep looking up at the stars and let your curiosity soar. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow space enthusiasts. If you have any questions or want to learn more about black holes, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to respond. Remember, the universe is vast, and there's always more to discover. Stay curious, and I'll see you next time.